Question 19 of the JAMB 2018 Mathematics Past Question, that's your UTME CBT exam. It says, find the number of committees of 3 that can be formed using 2 men and 1 woman from 4 men and 3 women. Okay, so it says we should select. When you say forming of a committee, this is what combination. Okay, that's selection. All right, so we're trying to select 2 men from out of what? 4 men. Okay, and we're selecting 1 woman, okay, out of 3 women. Okay, so this is our R and this is our N. Okay, and remember what's formula for combination? N R is equal to what? N factorial over N minus R all factorial, then R factorial. Okay, so the question says find the number of committees of 3 that can be formed consisting of 2 men and 1 woman from 4 men and 3 women. So our formula to find this will be what? For the men, we have 4 combination 2, then multiply by the women 3 combination what? 1. Okay, so that is selecting 2 men out of what? 4 men and 1 woman out of 3 women. Okay, so from here we have what? 4 factorial over what? over 4 minus 2 all factorial, then 2 factorial, and we have here 3 factorial over what? 3 minus 1 factorial 1 factorial. Okay, so from here let's simplify this. We have what is 4 factorial? 4 factorial is what? 2 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 4 minus 2 is what? 2. So we have 2 factorials. 2 factorial is 2 times 1. And this 2 factorial here is also times 2 times 1. Then we have times 3 factorial is what? 3 times 2 times 1 divided by what is 3 minus 1? 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have 2 factorial, and 2 factorial is what? 2 times 1. And here we just have 1 factorial. 1 factorial is what? 1. Okay, so let us cancel here. We can cancel this 2 will cancel out here, 2 here 1, 2 here 2, so we're left with 2 and 3. And what is 2 times 3? 2 times 3 is what? 6. So here what are we left with? We're left with 2 will cancel here, 2 will cancel, we're left with just 3. Okay, and that is what? 6 times 3. And what is 6 times 3? 6 times 3 will give us what? 18. So this is our answer. Our right option here is option B.